In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Metatrader 5 platform for the first time. So in other words, this video is a Metatrader 5 tutorial for beginners. But before we get started, I just want to say welcome to Trading with Tan. My name is Courage. If you want to learn how to become profitable as a trader, make sure to subscribe to the channel and let's get into the video. So first of all, what is Metatrader 5? So Metatrader 5, as you can see, this platform here is just a trading platform where you place your trades. You connect this platform to your broker, or you can open a broker's account with this platform, and then this is where you are going to be trading, placing all your buy orders, sell orders, and doing things like that. So this is where you are going to be placing your trades. This is where you are going to be. This is the platform that you use to place your trades. So other brokers have their platforms on them, but the reason why people like Metatrader is because you have more features, you have more indicators, and also Metatrader allows you to trade more instruments, right? So first of all, let's go back to my desktop, and I'm going to show you how to download Metatrader 5. So you go back, you go to the Play Store. Once you go to the Play Store, what you want to do here is search for Metatrader 5, and then you are going to see there is Metatrader 5. You can also use Metatrader 4, but this video is for Metatrader 5, and Metatrader 5 have got more features than the Metatrader 4. So if you didn't download, you are going to see a download button here, then you just download. So I already have it, so I'm just gonna click open, and then I'm gonna come to Metatrader 5 right here. So the next thing, once you download Metatrader 5, is you want to connect Metatrader 5 to your broker, right? Because for you to place the trades right here, you can see I have my account here with like $99.25, right? But for me to connect this account to Metatrader, this is not a Metatrader account. I have a broker called Deriv, which I connected to this Metatrader 5 platform right here. So this is my account. So I'm going to show you how to open an account or how to connect your broker's account. So I'll click here. If you didn't have an account, Metatrader will automatically create a demo account for you for the first time. But here I already have an account right here. So what I'm gonna do is I want to add another account here. So to show you how to do this, so if you are using any broker, you can search any broker like Xness. You can search, you can see here, you can search any broker like Deriv. You are going to see Deriv is gonna come up there, and there are a lot of brokers that you can find here. So you choose which broker you want to use. For me, I use Deriv, and there are many reasons why I use Deriv. If you want to learn more, learn the review of Deriv, I will leave the link in the description. So I'll click plus here. So for this example, I'm just going to go with Metatrader demo account, right? Because this is the demo account that they are going to give you when you open it for the first time. So I'm just gonna click open a demo account, and then I already have my details here, and you can put all your details here, and then you choose the amount of money that you want to start with on your demo account. It can be 3,000, and then you choose the leverage. It can be 1 to, let's say 1 to 50. I don't really like leverage. And then you click accept here, and then you register. So they need a phone number. I'm just gonna put my phone number right there. Then I'll just click done, and then if I click done here, I'm gonna be given a new demo account by Metatrader, which will be having $3,000. So now I have a $3,000 demo account. If I go to quotes right there, you are going to start to see currency pairs on this page. So this is the next thing that we are going to learn here. I'm going to show you different features of Metatrader 5. Now the first feature that I want to show you here is the quotes page right here. If you come to the quotes page, this is where you are going to see all the currency pairs that you are going to be trading, and all the instruments that you want to trade. It might not be currency pairs, right? So if I click here on quotes, and if I click add here, you are going to see there are different things that you can trade. You can trade forex, so you can add all the currency pairs that you want from here. You can trade any currency pair that you want. You can also add metals. So if you want to trade gold, silver, palladium, things like platinum, right? You can trade there. You can also trade in the indexes. So if you want to use the Oz 200, if you want to trade S&P 500, if you want to trade UK 100, and all other things like that, you can trade them. You can also trade commodities like oil, like Brent, like natural gas. Then there's commodities, energies, and also there is natural gas versus US dollar, and then there's also commodities. You can trade coffee, corn, cotton, soybeans, wheat, sugar, right? And all the things. That's why you need MetaTrader 5 more than MetaTrader 4, because MetaTrader 5 allows you to get more things to trade right there. So this is the codes page here. You can delete some of the things that you don't want here. If you click on this delete, you can mark out and delete some of the pairs that you don't want right here, and then you see that you are left with less pairs here. So if you want to track just a few pairs, you can just leave them here. And then the next feature that we have is the chart window right there. So this chart window is where you are going to be seeing the charts of what have been happening in the market, right? So you can see these charts here is going to be showing you how the market has been moving in a certain period of time, and this is the chart that you are going to use for technical analysis. So when you're analyzing the market, we use these charts right here. There's different things like drawing tools that you can use right there, right? You are going to learn all these things. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you are new here, because we come up with videos each and every day. So we are going to be helping you to analyze the market. We're going to be helping you to analyze the market and do things like this, right? And then you are going to be able to see support, resistance, and things like that. So make sure to click that subscribe button, because I'm coming up with more content. Then this is where you see the charts, where what the market is. And then the next thing that you are going to see is the trade window here. This is where you see your account balance, your equity, and your margin, right? So your account balance is the amount of money that is in your account right now, not calculating the trades that are running, right? And then the equity is the amount of money that is in your account plus the profits of running trades and the losses of running trades. So if you are in a trade and the balance is 3,000, but you have another trade which is on $1,000 profit, it simply means your equity will be at 4,000. So it simply means if you close that trade, you're going to be ending up with a balance of 4,000, right? So the equity is the unclosed or unrealized profit or loss of the running trade, and then the balance is the money that you get after you close any of the running trades. If you don't have running trades, the equity and the balance should be equal. And then you have the history page here. This is where you see all the history of what you have been trading. So I'm just going to go and place another one trade here to show you how this works. So let's go ahead and place our first trade here. So for this trade, we are just going to use guesswork right here. So we are just going to say, okay, this market is going up right here. So let's just go and follow it and buy, right? So here is where you put your lot size. You click on this button right there. You click where it says volume. You put in your lot size right here. So if you want to use a standard lot, you just click 1, right? If you don't know what is a lot, what are pips, what are lots, make sure to check the link in the description below so that you can join our Telegram group, because that's where you get all the basic lessons. I have a lesson that covers all these basic things. If you join that group, I'm just going to give you the link to the video, right? So as you can see, you can put 0.10, which is the mini lot, right? So let's just put a big trade here. So I'm just going to put 2 lots right here. The reason why I want to put let's just put 1 lot, okay? The reason why I want to put 1 lot is because I just want to make sure that we can get big profits here, and I will show you. Maybe it will be losses, right? So let's just click done right there, right? So so right now you can see this trade is -3 in loss right now, and the equity is now lower than the balance, right? As you can see, this trade is now in a losing position right then, and then the balance is shifting right now. If the trade goes into profit, like right now it's like $10 in profits, $5, it's going up and down, as you can see. And the reason why it's going up and down is because this trade is running up and down this candle, and right now you can see $14 in profit, and then we are now $3,014. So if you close this trade right here, let's just close this trade right here, and let's close it. Right, if you close this trade, you can see now the balance is 3,006 because we closed this trade with a $6 profit. So if you come to history, it's gonna show you bought one lot size and make $6, right? And you're going to see your profit is gonna be $6. So this is how you place your trades, right? So let's say I'm placing this trade, and this time I want to sell. Let's say I click sell right now. If I want to, there is things like stop losses and take profits. That's what I want to show you. So let's say you want to put your stop loss on your trade, which is like this right now, right? So let's say I sell and I want to put my stop loss, let's say at this point, right, and at the top of this candle here, because this is a sell trade, right? So I'll just go to the trade, then long press the trade, modify, and then you put the number of the stop loss. So let's say the number of the stop loss, you are going to do this by calculating the number of pips, right? And also there's a lot of things that you need to do. I have another video that teaches you how to use stop losses and take profits. I'll put the link in the description of this video, or you can check out the link coming up on the screen right now. So as you can see, I have a stop loss right now, and this trade is now $12 in profit right there, right? So if I want to put a take profit, I will just come here and I'll check the way I want to put my take profits. Let's say at this point right here, so just risking one to make one, so it's 0.9982. so I'll go back, long press, modify 0.9982, then I'll modify this one, so it comes up like this. Now I have a take profit, I have a stop loss. If the market goes to the take profit, I take the profits automatically. If it goes to the loss, I take the loss automatically. So this is exactly how you use Metatrader. There's nothing complicated about this. All you need to be doing here is predicting where is the market going, and you place your trade, and then you monitor your trade right here. So you need to know that right now I am $16 in profit in this demo account. If I close this trade again, if I go to history, it's gonna be added right here. So let's do this. Let's close this one again, close with profit 20, and then now you can see I have $26 in profit right there. So this is how you trade using Metatrader. So make sure you go and download Metatrader and play around with it, because there's a lot of things that you need to learn here. You need to learn how to add indicators here, but it's a full lesson that I'm going to give you in another video. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss any of these videos. You can also add drawing tools like rectangles, trend lines. As you can see, arrows, these are the things that I've been drawing here. You can see the arrows, the rectangles. I use the rectangles a lot, then Fibonacci, arrow, trend line. You can use different tools that you can use right here. So if you want to learn more about how to analyze the market, if you want to learn how to analyze the market step by step, how to make profits in the Forex Mastery, check out our course code Forex Mastery 1.0. I will leave the link in the description below. You go there, you read more, and you learn how it's gonna help you, and then you go and get the course. I will leave the link in the description below. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, leave a like button, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.